Hello, welcome to Tasty Louisiana. I went to Dairy Queen to get that Superman drink, and it's melted on the way home. But we're going to give this a try. It's pretty melted, but it's supposed to have sugar cookie cake batter and sprinkles in it, and a soft serve ice cream, so it's pretty color. It's got big things of cake batter in it. There's the cake batter. It's really good. Boy, the kids are gonna love this. It is really good. I would definitely recommend it. But it's at Dairy Queen, the new Superman shake Blizzard. Superman Blizzard. That's all they have you today. Bye.